Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nicole. If you guys are returning, thank you again for constantly just clicking on the video, supporting on all the things me. So without further ado, let's get into this video. You guys, let's talk about socks. So if you guys are not familiar, Sheec is the brand. I will leave them linked down below. Please click on the link. Please check them out. Please go follow them. Do all the things. They were so kind enough to send me all these socks. I had no idea who they were. They have amazing socks. I did already try these ones. These are the no-show sport socks. They do come with another one. I will insert a picture right here that I believe my mother kind of took them. So that's okay, we can share. I do have an affiliate link. Make sure you guys go check it out. It definitely helps me. Just click on it, it'd be great. So these are them. They are so fantastic. My favorite. They have comfy wool socks. So as you guys can see, wool socks right here. It has the little, on the foot, I believe, what does it say? It says merino wool, and it was in the medium. Super cute, super gorge. They have those. They have, these are the no-show socks, but they're in colored. As you guys can see, how cute are those? Like dying. This comes in a 3-pack. So we have a 3-pack right here. So this is how it looks like when it comes in. Have a little pamphlet there. And they're antibacterial, seamless toe, reinforced. So good. Tried them on. If you guys go check out my Instagram account, you will see that. You will see like the little me trying a few of them on. I mean, there's a lot, right? So there's a lot. The next one are these ones, which I'm really excited to try out. These ones are, I don't know the name, but I will link them down below. As you guys can see, they're brown. And then they have the little foot on them, and they're kind of like ankle. These are like more the booty kind of boot, kind of a little like a booty, you know what I mean? Like a boot. Okay. For the sock to no show, these are in medium and they're in brown. And then we have another pack of 3. These are the no show liners. So it's in the same material as the other one. These are for like ankle booties, I guess. Like if you have like a shoe that shows the ankle, but they're like more sleek, kind of sleek design right there. So cute, size medium, so cute. They also have non-slip, non-skid. This is a dressier fit. These are the socks. You guys can see there's a little gummy at the bottom so you don't slip and slide. Again, mid-cut, super cute little socks. And then we got some fleece socks, you guys. These are so cute. First of all, so soft. I'm gonna hide my face. So soft, so sleek. They literally are like, there's a gummy at the bottom, but they're fleece, so you know winter is coming and it helps out. These socks are bomb. And then we have, because I filmed a reel, that's why some of them are open and some of them are not. Some of them I definitely will be using and gravitating towards, and I genuinely feel like you guys need these socks in your life. You need these socks in your life. This is the half sock. When you guys wear shoes like a mule or something like, no, not a mule, like a slip-on shoe. So this is like a sock. It has, it says Sheec on it right there, but it's super cute colors. There's so many colors. And then this is what I mean by these little guys. These are so cute. These are perfect for like slip-on kind of sandals. That it's like a half sandal kind of thing. This is perfect if you want to keep your feet warm, or if it's, you know, kind of like, you know what I mean? But those are all the socks. I am so happy, thankful with Sheec. I do have an affiliate link with them. Please click on the link and make sure you guys go purchase them. You will not regret it. They are the most comfortable socks. I have worn them with boots. I've worn them with runners. I've worked out in those socks, those active socks. I think that those are their best sellers. Make sure you guys go check them out. They are kickstarting the whole brand. They really invested their time into making creative socks for everyday wear, which is always a miss in today's like market. Like, do you know what I mean? Like we all carry different shoes, but sometimes you just don't want your sock to show, or you want comfort. Do you know what I mean? It just doesn't fit right. So these ones fit so well. So make sure you guys go check out Sheec. Again, I will leave everything linked down below. I'll try to put it on the screen to go check them out. You guys will not regret it. And as always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.